Part one of a three-part tutorial. So we're gonna do a forward beat figure 8. And what that is you're gonna hold the Flowstar in your hand. You're gonna grab it like right between two of the triangles. And you're gonna lead with your thumb and your pointer finger. So first you're gonna swing it down, and then once you swing it down, you're gonna go this way and then back. Okay, I'm gonna add in a slow motion visual for this, but I'm also going to show the back side of how it looks. And I really want you to focus on keeping your elbow close to your body. Okay. Okay, next part of the tutorial is we're going to be doing a back beat. And what that means is we're going to hold the Flowstar in the same spot, but instead of moving forward for the Flowstar to get going, we're going to actually move it back. So we're going to lead with the front again, and we're going to pop it back, and then our hand is going to roll down, and then we're going to pop it back to the front on the same side. Okay, so we're going to go. Okay, I have a more detailed explanation of the Flowstar, like Backspin, like 10 or 15 videos back. But this is how it looks from the back. Oh wait, sorry. This is how it looks from the back. Okay, your elbow's gonna move around a little more, but I still want you to focus on trying to keep your elbow in a pretty similar spot. What's up, Flomies? This is the third part of a tutorial to do this move, which essentially you can like keep going for a long time doing that, you know what I mean? And if you practice on both sides, you're gonna be able to go all directions. Okay, so first we're gonna be doing the forward beat, and I'm gonna just like turn around so you can watch. And we're gonna keep our arms close to our body. We're gonna keep our back straight. We're gonna keep our arms straight. And when we turn it in, we're gonna go down, and we're gonna invert our wrist to like give it some good motion, and we're gonna like turn it all the way upside down so the Flowstar is on our back, and then we're passing it off from this hand to this hand. Okay, so we're gonna do a forward beat figure 8, arms close to the body, back straight, and then swing it, and then we're gonna go into a back beat. So forward beat, you always start going in front of you. And so when you go down here, you're gonna swing it, and the first thing you're gonna do when you swing it up is you're gonna swing it on your outer side of your body. So just watch me do this, and then outer side of the body. And this is like such a good move because this is like fundamentals of Flowstar, okay? I'll learn the forward beat and the back beat, and you'll be able to do this, and you'll be able to keep a continuous motion with the Flowstar. I will also attach a slow motion video of me doing this.